Nike's Zoom Vomero 5 returns in fall 2025 with the bold pink spell edition, highlighting its balance of lifestyle appeal and performance heritage. The sneaker arrives with vivid pink mesh uppers contrasted by structured black synthetic overlays, enhanced by reflective accents that shine in low light. Its TPU cage and molded heel piece add durability while showcasing a futuristic edge. A blacked-out midsole grounds the design, with pink accents reappearing on the outsole, laces, and heel counter for a cohesive finish. Comfort remains a core feature, as Cushlon and Zoom Air cushioning ensure responsiveness and plush support underfoot. The silhouette bridges its running roots with modern streetwear relevance, offering a striking choice for standout styling or everyday wear. By combining bold color blocking, intricate framework, and performance-driven comfort, the pink spell reinforces the Vomero 5's role as one of Nike's most versatile and eye-catching lifestyle runners.